I remember the reason I wrote that proposal on Operation Can Do was because one of my little guys stole a $7 T-shirt from Sears. Well, his mom had to pay $35 a month to the state, and he had a year's probation for that. And I told him, had anybody gone to elementary school and tell you that that was wrong and you couldn't take nothing from the stores? And I remember they used to tell me, not even a bubble gum? I said, no, not even a bubble gum. That's a no-no. Mm-hmm. And I found out that that kind of things went on, you know. And it was so sad. And I remember one of my little angels pulled a crank on his teachers. He put some flour in a bag and took it to school, and they hauled him off to Tarrant County. And he kept telling them that it was flour, but nobody would expect it. So he got.
What did they think it was?
So they still charge. Isn't that crazy?
What did they think it was?
Cocaine. He was a little clown. And you know what? Also, I remember I used to work with different member groups, mm-hmm. but when they were with me, I was mom. And I remember taking them to the fast food places as part of our job to eat, and sometimes even Caesar's Pizza or some of the fast food would hire them. You know, so, you know, that was a very good program. Mm-hmm. And I think that one thing that Fort Worth has done is they used to have gang activity, you know, some kind of program. They wiped it out. Mm-hmm. It's needed more than ever. Yeah.